This is an open secret, you guys, and I feel we can do it together. Do you know we can make $100 in one video? That is month ramen, in a video of 9 minutes, and in the video how to cook pilau, or how to cook beans, $5 budget. What do I mean? Most of us out there, we are on YouTube and we are doing content of cook with me. You're on TikTok, you're doing content of cook with me. So you end up having 1,000 views, but at the end of the month, you cannot withdraw using that same one video. Now we are talking about one video, not talking about 10 videos or the whole channel, or talking about the whole month. But this one video, for example, this video you see, how to cook with a budget of $5. Then another person comes, cook with me, has made a video of how to cook a beautiful or a delicious meal with $5, is going to get more money at the end of the month compared to you who has made a video just plain like cook with me, cook with Imac, cook with Immaculate, cook with so and so. You just put your ingredients, you make your kitchen very smart. You even buy flowers and put there. You buy other things and put there. At the end of the day, you find you have 7,000 views, good duration, but the amount of money cannot even reach $5 in one video for the whole month. This is it now. Like our previous video, I was telling you about the high profitable or payable niches on YouTube or on search engine. As to SEOs or as to algorithm, there are 5 to 10 niches that will pull the advertisers to put some good amount of money on your videos. So in this video, let's come to think about it. Everybody in the market is there putting cook with me pilau, cook with me peas, cook with me this. So meaning the competition is so high. And when the competition is so high, because that video is normal, they will put for you RPM of around $2. So meaning at the end of your 1,000 good views, you'll be earning, you find your video having like $1 or 0.0 something. But now, in today's video, let me tell you, and this is a trick. Do you see how I made this video? This is the open secret for you content creators, for somebody who says, Christine or anybody, I have to make money. I have to make social media or YouTube be my salary. It gives me my salary on a monthly basis. If you want to do that, the market is congested. Everybody now knows YouTube is paying. Everybody now knows I can sit at home and make money. You're going to use this video. Instead of saying, cook with me, you're going to say, please join me and see how $5 made me make a meal for my family, delicious, cozy, and this. You're putting how $5. It is so interesting. When we are talking about how much, when we are talking about how $5 made my family eat well, now it is attracting the advertisers because it has different components in them. It has high key searchable words as to another niche, in quotes. You're diving from the other niche, which is highly competitive with less RPM. You're borrowing to another niche or other niches, finance and others. It involves money. So meaning the advertisers from the other side can easily put money on your videos, can easily put the advertisements on your videos. Come to think about it. How do you think Christine runs? Irrespective of having 50, 40, 80 on Immaculate Show. On Immaculate Show, you find the views are not extremely, they are not viral. However, it's a must we earn on a monthly basis. So the way you package yourself now, this one is to somebody who is in another niche of lifestyle and others. You can start carving. You carve now the way you script your videos. So instead of saying cook with me, cook with Immaculate today, then you put onions, you put beans, you put peas, then you do this, you turn. No, make it like this. Come see how my $5 budget made me eat a very good meal with my family this weekend. Then you will start and say, I found myself with less amount of money, but surprisingly, wherever you are, $5 can make you and your family enjoy a weekend. So what I did this as you're setting up your table, as you're showing, I did this and did this. Onions were for maybe for $0.5. Meat, I managed to get a meat and sliced it in 3 parts. Instead of using meat of all $10, I use it for $3. And in this, I had to mix with this and this. So I feel you're bringing in the language that the algorithm or the SEOs for the high-paying niches is getting. Those words are being good. That's where we always come and say, use key searchable words. And this trick will work for you. Now, suppose you find you like me, you're getting 100 views, you're getting 200 views. Your RPM, for example, it is 15. When it is 15 and you find your estimated income as far as 1,000 views is $8. If you have $8 or $8 to $15 per 1,000 views, it will make you stand out, and you find your videos of 500 views are being paid more highly than a person who is talking about cook with Immaculate, because it is plain, it is like any other. So that one will be more paid, the one where you are involving in how much you use it, than the other one, the other plain video when you say cook with me. You guys, I said this one is going to be a preamble, just it is going to be interactive. Let me know if you understand what I'm saying. Meanwhile, I'm making this video very early in the morning after a sleep of only 3 hours, and I'm going to work. Can you do this? Can you do a video irrespective of the conditions? But is it variable? I know it is variable. Put it in the comment section if you really understood what I'm telling you. And also, if you want me to do this video when I'm 100% sober, put it in the comment section.